Hi everyone, the Asus ROG Cetra Wired headset has a lot of nice features. Are almost 2 years old, but it can still do a pretty nice job. So let's check out what you can get with a $100 price tag. Alright guys, here is the box and what you get inside. I usually don't take care about boxes because they are always the same, but this one from ROG, they always know how to make boxes. So let's go what we get inside. Here we have the case, which is nice with the ROG logo, and with ROG here we have the headset itself. We will check all the details also here, and here we have some papers. So here we have our headset. There are gray color with RGB logo, and here we have this small hole on both of them, which are the active noise cancellation, but we'll get to that in a minute. Then we have a normal cord here, as we can see, 2 cords, and then you get 1 cord connecting to a USB. Included there are different type of earbuds, as you can see, different shapes, and also this silicone, which I highly recommend it if you are going into the gym and etc. And this will be helpful. Also other tips here for best shaping your ears. The carrying case, and this is the clip if you want to clip the headset on your shirt. The weight of this one is almost 45 grams with the carrying case excluded. And for the ergonomic, I have to say these are really well done, and I don't feel them even for long sessions. I don't feel any difficulties on wearing them even running or going to the gym. So let's check some controls and some connections on these headsets. You can connect these only using the USB Type-C. You can of course use other adapters for connecting to other devices which maybe don't have the USB Type-C. And here, as we can see, we have some controls and some other features. For example, we have the microphone, which is different from other headsets, is separated from this part here because usually some other headsets have the microphone included in this part here. So here we have it in a different place. Here we have some noise cancellation microphones with this logo, and here we have some basic but useful controls. Here we have the volume up, volume down, volume up and volume down. So this is for controlling other features, and this is for activating or deactivating the active noise cancellation. Here is the LED for the active noise cancellation. If it's white, it means that active noise cancellation is on. If it's blinking, it's transparent mode, and if it's off, means that the active noise cancellation is off. Before diving into some settings, I want to let you know guys that this is not a sponsored video. I did pay for these headsets, and all this is my opinion only. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and drop a comment if you want to know more. Thanks a lot for your support. Alright guys, once you connect the headset to your computer, here we have crate. You have to install an Armory crate, and here we can change some settings. Starting from here, we have some device settings, the volume or the overall volume, some audio quality here, 24 bits, and the hertz here, I will suggest you to leave it between 44 and 48. And here we have some recording settings if you want to record from using the microphone of the headset, which is not that much high quality. I wouldn't suggest to use this microphone for recording voiceovers or everything else. For gaming can be okay, but other than that, I wouldn't recommend it. Here we have some sound optimization. Here there are different presets. If you want to use one of them, I would suggest to use gaming or communication because in my opinion is the most tweaked properly. And here we have some other settings like a virtual surround sound if you want the surround sound on the headset, which is not that much high quality, but in case you want it, here it is. And here we have some, but if you want to boost, compressor, or whatever else, I usually tend to leave this off on this kind of headset because they are not doing a really good job. Here we have some noise gate for the microphone. You want to tweak the microphone, which again, it's not that much high quality, but for what it's meant to be, it's okay. Here we have some equalizers. If you want to change, you have to enable it, and then you have some, if you are listening to the music on watching videos or whatever else, you have some equalizers here. Again, you can tweak all these stuffs here in order to best fit what you're doing at the moment, gaming or watching a video on whatever else. Here we have some reverb, which I don't suggest to enable this one. So that's it. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. Here you can click and check for firmware updates, and here you can create also profiles. If you want to create also other profiles, you can click here and you can create a new profile, or you can import profiles if you have some other profiles from other Asus headsets. So that's it. Easy for changing the settings. The Asus ROG Cetra Wired is still good in almost every scenario. You have to tweak some settings to get decent audio, but other than that, I can recommend them. Maybe the price might be a little bit less than $100 because you can get wireless version of these headsets for less than $100. If you guys enjoyed watching the video and found it helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable the notifications, and drop a comment if you want to know more. Thanks a lot for your support, and thanks for watching.